my turkey kids of poults, and the hen are still waxing. The relationship between them is still waxing very strong. I don't know at what point the hen will reject the poults, but as it is, there is so much love between them. The training is ongoing. The chicken, teaching them how to feed, calling them, and training them on how to source for food. This is lovely. Nature can be funny at times. This is one hen that's doing a fantastic job. You can see them. These are poults, these are turkeys in waiting, and she's doing everything to protect them. Can you see? See? You can see. Well, I will keep you posted when the hen finally rejects the poults. Thank you.